afternoon, everyone.
Perkenalkan nama Sutio.
My name is Sutio. You can call me Tio.
Saya akan menjelaskan secara singkat sejarah gereja Bandung.
I will explain for you the short history of this Blenduk church.
Gereja Bandung ini berdiri di tahun 1753.
1753. It was established in 1753.
Di waktu itu bangunannya belum permanen seperti ini. Waktu itu masih bentuk maju belum.
At the time, the building was not permanent like this. Rather, it's like Japanese kind of building, flat, Japanese traditional house, like the one you visit. We had lunch in the house in the village, like that kind of house.
Pada tahun 1894-1895,
1894 to 1895,
pihak Belanda merenovasi secara menyeluruh
Netherlands government renovate the whole thing.
dengan merobohkan atau mengganti bangunan baru.
They demolished the old Japanese kind of building and then changed with this one.
Dibangun dengan bentuk yang sampai sekarang ini.
Yeah, so this is the one from 1895 until now. This is the same shape and architecture.
Ya, selain sebagai tempat ibadah bagi umat Kristen,
It is not only for worship place for the Christians,
juga kita menerima untuk wisata religi.
we accept for the religion kind of recreational place, something like that also.
Lalu hubungan kita dengan masyarakat pada umumnya tidak ada gangguan apapun, baik pada saat pendirian maupun pada saat yang sekarang ini.
From the history, started from their building this one until this time, they don't have conflicts with the societies around these buildings and the community outside of this religion community here.
Demikian juga kita berhubungan dengan pihak pemerintah, kita saling melengkapi satu dengan lain.
We are also trying to be supportive to government, and the government also vice versa support us because this is one of the historic place.
Demikian sejarah daripada gereja Blenduk atau gereja GPIB Immanuel.
Blenduk artinya apa? So the Java name for this church is Blenduk. It making like this, like balloon swollen, because of the upper part is like that. Yeah. So but the Indonesian name is Immanuel Church.
Demikian cukup sekian dari
That's all
saya.
from me. If you have any curiosity, you can ask me.
Dan saya juga didampingi oleh Ketua Gereja Majelis GPIB Immanuel, yaitu Bapak William Tetaleta.
So he is one of our elder here. His name is William. Yeah. So two of them are welcoming us.
Untuk ibadahnya masih aktif kita lakukan pada jam 9 dan jam 5 sore.
Worship time, they still use for regular worship time, Sunday, 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. How many church members? Berapa banyak orang jemaat?
Kalau kita hitung secara kakak itu kurang lebihnya 250-an.
We have 250 families. Yeah, 250 families belong as a member in this church. Yeah. Yeah.
Is this church part of any interreligious program, or do they cooperate with other religions?
Kerjasama dengan agama-agama lain, Pak, atau terlibat dalam program-program interreligius banyak.
ini bisa kita serahkan ke Bapak William. Kita
I
minta.
will give the chance to answer to Mr. William as elder of the church. Gereja terlibat dengan interreligious kegiatan kolaborasi.
Untuk Gereja Pondok atau GPI Semarang, kita rutin menerima kunjungan dari Universitas UIN,
We are
UIN Kalijaga dan
regularly,
Songo.
we have annual regular program to welcome the two big Islam university students and professor visit every year. It is regular.
Dan juga dari pesantren Tebuireng
And then,
dari Jawa Timur.
and then from the outside of Central Java, it's from East Java. It's also very regular.
Jombang, ya?
If you ever
Jombang.
heard about the one of Indonesian most strong Islam, very pluralist. His name is Abdul Rahman Wahid, the one who has eyesight problem. One of our former president. He was the leader of this community, very big Islam community from East Java. That place or that community always visit here regularly, and they welcome them every year. It's a regular project. Yeah, that's the biggest scale, and then small things are going on. Yeah. Yes.
Do they hold church weddings here? Because in Germany, lots of the people get married in a church.
Apa Bapak melayani pernikahan?
Gereja kita melakukan pernikahan bagi jemaat kita sendiri, dan kita juga menyewakan bagi jemaat-jemaat lain di luar gereja yang di Bandung Semarang.
So you can do the wedding here, holy matrimony, for their own member and for member from not from this church also. Yeah.
Do we have a wedding here? Special.
Another question. Yeah.
Just some more information about the activities of the church.
Aktivitas gereja apa saja Pak in agenda semingguan?
Dari Senin sampai Sabtu, hampir minggu kita semua aktivitas, baik itu latihan paduan suara, ibadah, sekolah minggu, taruna pemuda, lanjut usia, terus kemudian ibadah kaum bapak dan kaum ibu. Dari Senin sampai Minggu kita, ya.
So from Monday to Sunday back, they have packed schedule of a week from Sunday school, teenager, youth, and then women, male groups category, and then also elder people also, and then many of these churches also GPIB, they have widow and widower also. They have special worship for that also. Yeah, so very packed schedule every week, and then also plus Bible study, general Bible study, and male or female only Bible study. Also they have. Yeah. How many pastor Bapak? Berapa?
Dua pastor.
Two pastor? How many?
Di angkat pengatua kita ada 42.
Total for deacons and elders 42, and then 2 leading pastor. Yeah. Yeah. Lakukan konser dengan ini Pak, undang orang luar untuk ini.
Ini Rusakil.
Oh,
Yes.
this is okay.
Iya, kami dapat hibah dari Belanda buatan 1957, sudah di packing, tinggal dikirim, tapi masih berusaha untuk biaya pengiriman sampai setting dan aktif kembali itu kurang lebih 700 juta. Dan kami planning di tahun ini bisa aktif. Dan kita ada konser nanti September, musik klasik dari anak usia SD hingga SMA, dan itu gratis.
Okay. On September, they plan to have public concert from the elementary until the high school. The audience first target will be there, and then this one is still broken, so they cannot do anything. But everything they need is sending from the Netherlands now. They are very old order, and it cost them $7,000 USD. $7,000. They need to spend to all the packaging and send it to Indonesia. So by September, they are hoping everything will be settled, and then they can do as programmed. Yes. Any more?
Yeah, is this a special prize or something? Because it's the Netherlands and they try to wiedergutmachen from the history. They try to, it's kind of reconciliation from the Netherlands to this prize because for our European years